Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making this super simple mini pumpkin wreath. So if you guys want to see how I do it, then please keep watching. Alright, so what you're going to need is a vine wreath. I got all my supplies from Joann's. I got 3 different colors of these mini pumpkins. I got 2 bags of each color, so 6 bags of pumpkins in total. These wood kebab sticks, some wire cutters to cut the kebab sticks, and some hot glue, and that is it. So basically I'm just going to go around and clean off all of the branches that are hanging off. I don't want anything getting in the way, so I'm just going to clean it up just a little bit. Now what you're basically going to do is stick your kebab, your skewer, whatever you're using. I actually ended up using toothpicks at the end. They worked better. So you're going to stick that into the bottom of your pumpkin and stick that into the wreath. It does hold it pretty well, but you will see I did go through and add some hot glue to some of them just to make sure it's nice and secure since it will be on my front door. But I went ahead and cut down the kebab sticks in half and just started sticking it in my wreath. And that is it, guys. I just went around the wreath, alternated colors between the orange, the golden caramel color, and the ivory, and that's it. As you can see, I kind of left some space. I wanted to make sure I had enough pumpkins before I started really filling it, so I will go back in later and fill in everything and make sure it's nice and full. Each bag of these pumpkins were a little under $5. I believe it cost me about $30 to make this wreath, so it's a pretty good deal. I've seen ones in stores that are like $60 or $70 easily, so I'm really happy with this DIY. Alright, like I said earlier, I'm just going to go through and add, some more pumpkins into the little sparse areas, make sure everything is nice and full, and that is it, guys. This wreath was super simple. Loved how it turned out. Looks really nice on my front door. I will be filming my fall decorate with me outside today, so that's what I'm going to be doing after this video. I know this video was short and sweet, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!